The AAC Language Lab is a wonderful resource to have in your toolbox. Try it before you buy it with the Core Word Starter Set of free lesson plans based on 25 words that are perfect to start using with a new communicator. The AAC Language Screener helps determine the skills your student already has and then fills in any gaps. It also helps figure out where to start. Lesson plans are organized by language objectives. Guided lesson plans help a student get more practice or move forward. Smart charts can be generated to create high-resolution icon sequences. You can use these to help both students or staff. The lab also has a bank of fun, engaging activities that can be used with a student using AAC and their peers. Weekly supports are provided for News to You, as well as monthly smart charts for Unique. Young adult content can be found in the BRICS curriculum. Help your older students create their own goals. Resources are provided for a variety of AAC topics. Blogs are posted twice a week on a variety of topics. Blogs are written by both AAC professionals and actual AAC device users. Ambassador profiles and videos help everyone learn more about competent communicators. Let's help communication grow.